Hi everyone, welcome to our school. We are here to raise awareness about the importance of clean water and impact it has on our lives. Clean water is not just a privilege, it is a basic human right. Millions around the world still lack access to safe and clean drinking water. We are blessed to have clean and safe water in our school. Every drop counts, so that we need to conserve water and do not waste it. If we are all responsible, we can ensure that future generations will have enough clean water to meet their needs. With your cooperation, we can make difference. Let's pledge to reduce water wastage, prevent pollution, and advocate for policies that prioritize clean water for all.
Hi guys! Good afternoon. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Kubo. Kubo ng school namin. So, look. Ayun, meron kaming mini fish pond. Hindi masyadong kita. So, yun yung mini fish pond namin. Mamaya titingnan natin. So, ako lang dito sa Kubo. Yun yung school namin. Under renovation, ginagawa, pintahan. Tapos, ito, sa likuran namin ay oval. Montalban Sports Complex. So, ito yung badminton court. Tapos, yun yung oval. Masarap mag-jogging. So, diyan kami nag-jogging yung open pa yan. So, ngayong pandemic, naka-close siya ngayon. Sarap dito. Dito kami minsan nag-meeting with our principal. Dito sa ako po na. Okay, so, bababa na tayo para makita natin yung fish pond. Hindi ko pala na-click yung video kanina bago ako umakyat dito. Okay, so baba na tayo. Okay, so may mga tanim dito yung principal namin na hindi kasi siya ang tanim-tanim. Ito yung kubo. So, dati meron dito pato. May mga bunga pero ngayon na-harvest na. Saka namatay na rin. Bababa na tayo. Ito yung fish pond ng school namin. Ayan. Para siyang kawawa. Dinasign. So, wala tayong pagkain para lumitaw sila. Ayan. Ayan ang lalaking mga tilapia yan. Okay, so yun lang. Nakita ko lang sa inyo yung fish pond ng school namin. Okay, if you like this video, just click like and subscribe na lang. Bye-bye!